how to cancel booking in hotels.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily cancel your booking in hotels.com. Now if you're wondering how you can cancel booking, then you're come to the right video. Let me guide you through quick and easy. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your hotels.com application and make sure you have logged into your account or signed into your account that you made the booking from. Now once you're at the home page, you can see you'll get home option at the bottom of the screen, rewards option, trips, and account option. You want to simply tap or select the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here you'll be able to see profile, communications, payment, reviews, settings, help, and feedback. However, if you want to cancel your booking, you want to simply tap on trips option beside it. Now once here you'll be able to find any trips if you have booked. However, if you do not find one, you can simply tap on find your booking option, and you want to enter in your booking.com itinerary number that will be emailed to your email address after the confirmation of your reservation or booking. Once you tap on itinerary number, simply tap on continue, and you'll be able to view your booking. You want to simply open up that particular booking, and then you want to tap on it, and you want to see if the cancellation feature is still there. And once you do so, you want to simply tap on cancellation, and you'll be able to cancel it. However, refund may apply depending, or cancellation charges may apply depending on the type of booking you made and the hotel services and their features as well. So this way you can cancel your booking on hotels.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.